In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer Solana from MEXC to your Phantom wallet. To start, you'll need to have everything set up and ready to go. First, make sure you've opened your Phantom wallet. If you haven't logged into your account yet, please do so now, as that's an important first step. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the home page. Here, you will be able to see your balance, the tokens you have, and all the wonderful features available to you, such as receiving, sending, swapping, and buying cryptocurrencies. Now, let's focus on getting the correct address to receive your Solana. You'll want to click on your profile. From there, navigate to Settings and select the Receive option, which is the gateway to getting your Solana into the wallet. Next, make sure Solana is selected, as this is the cryptocurrency we're dealing with, and copy the address that appears. This address is crucial because it's the destination for the Solana you're going to transfer. Now, we shift our attention to MEXC. On your homepage, direct your attention to the bottom right corner where you will find the wallet icon. Click on this and then proceed to the withdraw section. If you're like me, you might not have the withdraw option available right now, possibly due to insufficient funds in your account. But it's always wise to make sure your account is adequately funded so that when you're ready to proceed, you can do so without hitches. Even though my account isn't ready for withdrawal at the moment, I'll still guide you through this process. Once you've clicked on withdraw, you'll find yourself on the withdrawal page. Here, you'll need to select Solana from the crypto section. This is the point where you'll use the address you copied earlier from your Phantom wallet. Paste that address into the provided space, ensuring it's identical to the one you copied since accuracy is key. After pasting the address, it's time to enter the amount of Solana you wish to transfer. Once you've done this, all that's left to do on this page is to click Submit. When you do, the platform will require you to go through some confirmation and security checks. Simply follow the prompts that appear on your screen, which are there to ensure the security of your transaction. By providing the required details, you will successfully transfer your Solana from MEXC to your Phantom wallet. And there you have it. A seamless transition of funds when each step is carefully executed. Thank you for tuning in and happy trading.